Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 10 of this gas station. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to finish the one that we have right here. The only thing that I want to do now is just add this one as well. So I'm gonna add the garbage can right here, or trash can, and I'm gonna put it on the other side as well. And after this, I want to make sure that to add, so I'm going to put this one 200 from the top, and move it a little bit more, so we could put this one at 400. That's good enough. And then make sure to give it some space, and then copy, because I want to add the fuel pump station right here. So we're going to add that once we're in Twinmotion, because I found a better looking pump instead of us creating it. So we have this one right here. We have the fire extinguisher. And then after this, what I want to do is I want to add the yellow or the logo here as well. So I believe we use paint stripe right here. So parking stripe. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add it on this side as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to click on model in place, generic model. This will be model number 7, and then we're gonna do a pick path, and then we're gonna choose the 3D right here, and then we're gonna do it around the building, and then we want to make sure that every gap so it's covered. So that's why we need to click on TR, so trim and extend, and then here click on finish, edit profile, and then we need to use the parking stripe material because we're going to add a rectangle here, and I'm just going to make it like this one. It's going to be flat because it's just the logo around here. So I'm gonna use paint stripe. I want to 80 by 800, and then click finish, and then finish again. So once that is done, we're going to add, of course, the one that we added here. I'm just going to use the anodized aluminum red material, and then we can select this again and edit in place. Same idea, it's going to be a sweep. It will be sweep around here, so we're going to use the bottom to add this one right here. Click on finish, edit profile, and we're going to add somewhere right here. This one we could do 50 by 120, and then it's based from right here So around 80. So 80, 120, and then this is 50. So click on finish. Before that, let's add the material and then click finish. And definitely we're going to add somewhere right here as well. We're gonna fix this and then click finish again right here. And of course we need to add the shell. So CS on this, or we could just do is go to architecture, click on model text, and then add it right here. What we can do is, so what we can do is select that again, set it, pick a plane, and then we're gonna choose this plane. To add it right here. So unfortunately this one is going backwards, so we just need to basically set this on again. We can select this if this is giving us some problem, and then we could just move it onto here, and then here we could basically change the text size. So we're gonna duplicate this again, and this one we can do 250 or 200. And then the material, same thing. And then we could just change the text now. So click here, and then capital shell select. And we want to make sure it's going in the middle. Then I'm happy with that. We need to do the same thing right here as well. So we could do edit in place. I'm gonna use paint stripe, but we need to create again another sweep, and then pick path, select here, and then trim it. And then once you're done, click finish, edit profile, and create the same thing that we did on that side, or on the, so this one is 800 and this one is 80. Click finish and then finish again. This one should be parking stripe. And then here we need to click on finish first, because I'm going to select this one and change this to 3000. I think that's better. It's not protruding upwards. And then once you do, you just need to select this again, edit in place, and do the same thing. So we need to click on sweep, pick path, we're going to add it onto the bottom. And then after that, once you do, we need to click on finish again and then click on edit. This one we need to make it 50 here. This one should be around 80, and then this one is 80 as well. And then I believe that's good. Click on finish. I'm just gonna double check what we did. I want to make sure that we did it correctly. This is 120. Okay, so we just need to change it to 120. Select that, edit sweep, select that again, select here, edit profile, and then here we just need to 120. And then same goes car wash. So what we could do is CS probably on this, or we could just copy, put it right here, select this one, pick path, and then we could select this one. We could put shell there just to give it something there, and then car wash right here. Car wash right there, and that looks good. We can add one more right here. We could just add the shell right here. And then car wash on the other side. Big path. And there we go. And then obviously we need to add some shell there. Big path. And then maybe we could copy more of this just to add some right here on this side, and maybe on those sides as well. That looks good. Everything is working out fine. I'm going to go to insert again, load family, and maybe there is some arrows This is ADA. We could use this arrow. I want to try this one. CM. I'm gonna rotate this. And then load more. Straight. And we could use this one as well. CM. And then the straight. CM right here. And I want to see how it looks. So it's kind of on top. So offset from host minus 200. I want to see how it looks. So this one needs to be negative 200. You want to make sure that everything is. So edit host. This one is 200. Not sure how it got placed there though. This one was ground. So I'm gonna try and add this again. But ground. Delete this one. Negative 200. And then delete this. Negative 200. Rotate this one. Or we could just put this one instead. CS. So people can see that you can turn right here or go straight. And then here it's easier. So because this is negative 200, we're placing it into the proper height. then I'm just going to CM. I want to check the one that is turning right here. Then I'm just gonna turn it around. And of course, we could add this one right here. And then the trick is you need to place it to an angle and it will change for you. So this one, I'm gonna put it ground. So for some reason it flips to the second floor. So I believe this one is good. So we're just giving it some space right here so that we know where to go, and the arrow will help that. So we're gonna stop here for now, continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.